Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing exercise 2025 SolidWorks while on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now here select plane white. Now draw the rectangle. Now draw the rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 85 and this line dimension 95. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now go to direction change. Now here extrude 74. Okay. Now you can here select plane from mid plane. Okay. Now go to here select plane white. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now this plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Now select here and here. Now give the dimension. This line and this line dimension 30 and this line dimension 35. Now this point and this line dimension 35. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here extrude through all. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair rectangle. Draw the hair rectangle. Now go to normal tool. Now draw the dimension. This point and this point distance 12 and this point distance 12. Okay, select this line, control this line linear. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude card. Now here extrude card, blind. Now here select offset here. Now select sketch plane. Now here cut 95 minus 35. There are 65. 65 minus and 17. 65 minus 17. That means 48. Now here select. Now here select 48, 48 and 35. Just going to 95 minus 17. 17, 95, 85, 83. I'm going to calculate here 95 minus 17. Now I'm going to select 78. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now here select rectangle. Select here rectangle. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle. This point. Now here select this line and this line distance 17. Okay. Now select here this point. Control this point. Vertical. Now go to isometric view. Now here select feature and extrude card. Now here extrude card 78. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now here select isometric view. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair rectangle. Now here select rectangle. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 45 and this line and this line distance 12. 12. Now this line and this line distance 20. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to here select shaded hidden line. Okay, now select here. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.